Hi guys, so in this video I'm going to show you how to re-fix this proper frizzy hair. As you can see, it's knotted everywhere, it's frizzy, you can't really do much with it, so let's get started. So the things that you need is a comb out brush, detangler and conditioner. And you have to do this over the sink or in the bath. So firstly, we're just going to go to the bath and we're going to soak this in water, and we're going to use this full bottle of conditioner to make the hair soft and smooth, because obviously it's fake and it's not real hair, so you can't really do much with it. You just have to be very gentle or you could just burn out the hair. So let's get there. So as you can see, I've just put the doll in the bath and I'm just going to soak the hair with warm water, and then I'm just going to... Don't talk. So guys, so now you've seen that I've just soaked it in warm water. Now I've just let all the water go out and I've just applied conditioner. It doesn't matter which conditioner it is, but for this one I'm just using this silver shampoo because that's the one you want to have of conditioners. So I've just applied about 2 handfuls already. And we're just going to let the conditioner do its job and then leave it for an hour. And then come back in an hour and comb it through nice and gently, just like basically a condition treatment, just to make the hair nice and soft. So that's how it is so far. Stop. Okay guys, so as you can see, I've just finished combing out the doll. So now we're just going to let it dry, and I've just simply trimmed the ends off just to make it easier to brush as well. So now we're just going to let it dry and see how it is.